Okay, example 2. Every algebra student's nightmare, the mixture problem. But it's not a nightmare. Let's read through it. You combine two solutions in Miss Murphy's class to form a mixture that is 40% acid. Okay, one solution is 20% acid and the other is 50% acid. If you have 90 milliliters of the mixture, how much of each solution was used to create the mixture? Okay, now I can think about it, or I can just kind of follow Mr. Cortez's lead. I like the thinking about it. I like the doing both, right? There's my items, or amount of each thing. Okay, and then here's my my box that I'm going to draw. This is my value box. Okay, I hope I can fit it all in there. All right, so I know that I'm going to let this be the X solution and this one be the Y solution. Okay, I could flip it around, it doesn't matter, but that's the way it came. So, and I just know that the amount of X plus the amount of Y has to equal 90 milliliters, right? Because the mixture has 90 milliliters. I can't have more or less than the sum of those two. Okay, now I need to write up its value. Okay, its value is, well, let's see. I know that the amount of acid in the first one is 0.2x, because I can't write a percent in the equation. I have to change it to a decimal. If I add the acid from the first kind to the acid of the second kind, that's going to be 0.5x, right? I'm going to get the amount of acid that's in the mixture, right? The acid in the 20% plus the acid that's in the 50% equals the acid that's in the mixture. Okay? All right. Now again, it's just algebra. Okay? Let's just solve the thing. So I'm going to subtract x from both sides. Get y is equal to 90 minus x. And then I'm going to get you know what? Let's do that in blue. 0.2x plus 0.5. This is supposed to say y, guys. I'm sorry. Old man, messing up. Okay, 0.5y, but I'm not going to write what y is. I'm not going to write y. I'm going to write in what y equals. Okay, I'll get it together, guys. Stick with me. All right, stay with me. I'm staying with you. There we go. All right, 90 minus x, and that's going to equal, what is 0.4 times 90? 36. Thank you. Okay, you can do that in your head. Now, I'm going to simplify. I'm going to get 0.2x. Now think about it, just before I do that, do you agree that this is how much acid? I've got 36 milliliters, right? Because 40% of 90 is 36 milliliters. So I'm going to find out how much acid is in this one, and I'm going to add it to the amount of acid that I have in that one, and it's going to give me the total amount of acid, which is 36. All right, so let's just keep rolling. Let's simplify this thing. So I'm going to get half of 90 is 45, right? Minus 0.5x is equal to 36. I'm going to combine my like terms, because that's what I do. Minus 0.3x plus 45 is equal to 36. Subtract 45 from both sides. I'm going to get negative 0.3x is equal to negative 9. All right, I like the way this is going. You go, teachers, making up these easy problems. Divide by negative 0.3 on both sides. Wow, it's not negative 0.4, is it? No, it's 0.3, because that goes into 9 30 times. Okay? Positive 30, because that makes just like that, right? Two negatives. Negative divided by negative is a positive. Okay? All right, well, wait, if x is 30, then y is equal to 90 minus 30. Y is equal to 60. All right, so I have 60 milliliters. Oh, I'm running out of time. Of the, let's see, y was the 50% solution. And I've got 30 milliliters of the 20% solution. Guys, you're awesome. I know you're going to nail this stuff. Think about it. Items, values, two equations, plug one into the other. You're ready to roll. Thanks, guys.